We donate profits from this channel to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. As you know, we've cruised on a lot of different cruise lines, and we always come back to Princess because we love the crew, we love the staff, and we really feel that you get value for the money that you pay. We also love to cruise the newer cruise ships because we love that new ship smell, and of course the newest amenities and the newest shows. This is a beautiful ship with a great crew. Today we want to give you a tour of an inside cabin on the Sky Princess. This is a great budget cabin for those who are looking to get a great cruise but not spend a lot of money. So let's get to our review of an interior or an inside cabin on the Sky Princess. We're going to review Carib 723 that is located on deck 10 on the starboard side, aft. Those of you that have sailed Princess in recent years understand the medallion experience, but if you haven't sailed Princess, the medallion will automatically unlock your cabin door as you approach. As you enter, there is a short hallway with a bathroom and a wardrobe on the right-hand side. This short hallway gives you plenty of privacy in the bedroom itself. There are 2 twin beds in every room. These can be pushed together to form a queen to king size bed or pushed apart to be individual twin beds. The bedstands are about 13 inches wide and are movable if you should arrange the beds in a different format. There are 2 small drawers in each bedstand, and these are perfect for necessities or for small clothing items. Controls for the room lights are located next to the bed, and there is a USB port located in the base of each lamp. Across the room from your bed is a desk. Above the desk is a well-lit mirror, as well as a television. The television has plenty of live stations as well as on-demand choices. There are plenty of outlets at the desk, including 3 European Union outlets and 2 US outlets. We usually bring travel adapters that allow us to use either the EU or US outlets and also allows us to plug in multiple devices. There are 4 additional drawers in the desk. The top drawer contains a hardwired blow dryer. The blow dryer itself is not very strong. To the right of these drawers is a small refrigerator. This refrigerator is large enough to fit several cans of soda or even a couple of bottles of wine. You can ask your steward to fill your ice bucket and place it in the refrigerator every day. On European or Asian cruises, you may find a tea kettle with a supply of teas and instant coffees in your cabin on arrival. However, if you are a tea drinker, ask your cabin steward for a kettle in your room at any time. As we head into the wardrobe area, you'll notice that there are no closet doors. There also is a very large upper shelf that is partially occupied by your life vests. Plenty of hangers are provided, and if you don't have enough, ask your steward for additional hangers. There is a cabinet in the wardrobe area with 4 substantial shelves, as well as a safe. The safe is large enough to fit tablets, phones, jewelry, and wallets. You might have difficulty fitting a laptop in the safe. As we head into the bathroom, you'll see that there are 2 hooks on the inside of the bathroom door. Bathrooms on Princess are generally smaller than we've encountered on other cruise lines. Other than the countertop, there are 3 glass corner shelves as well as 1 shelf below the sink. There are 3 towel racks above the commode. Princess continues to use shower curtains rather than shower doors. The shower nozzle is removable so that you may use it as a handheld option as well. There are grab bars and a retractable clothesline in each shower. There is a footrest at the back of the shower, which women can use to shave their legs or to store additional toiletries. Every stateroom comes with Lotus Spa products. Lotion, hand wash, body wash, and a combined shampoo and conditioner are provided. Just like other rooms that we've reviewed for you, there's 13 inches of height under the beds for storage of suitcases. Now, if you have 4 persons in a room, this might not be enough storage for all of your luggage. We want to note that many of the inside or interior cabins on Princess have two different orientations. Some of the inside cabins on Princess are horizontally oriented. We've stayed in one of these horizontal cabins before, and even though the locations of these cabins can be excellent, we don't like the way that the door opens up into the central part of the cabin, giving you very little privacy. If you need a cabin that accommodates more than 2 persons, there are cabins that have bunk beds that fold out of the wall. However, if you are looking for a room that accommodates only 2 passengers, be cautious not to book one of these cabins as you may be hitting your head when you exit the bed. If you travel in one of these cabins with children, there are guardrails available on the upper berths. Additional guardrails can be ordered through your cruise personalizer. Because storage can be at such a minimum in these cabins, we do suggest that you bring magnetic hooks. These are perfect for reducing clutter in your cabin by being able to hang things like hats, lanyards, wet swimsuits, backpacks, and even more. Look for the link to these magnetic hooks here or in the notes below. Another good space saver is an over-the-door shoe hanger. This allows you to reduce clutter by storing things such as sunscreen, hand sanitizer, and more. If you or anyone with you is mobility challenged, use your cruise personalizer to request in-cabin accessibility items, or ask your travel agent to help you request these. On all cruises, we personally bring a magnifying suction cup mirror that we can move anywhere around the room, including the bathroom or the desk. Laundry services are not included with this level of cabin, unless you are a member of Princess's Captain's Circle at its highest level, Elite. However, laundry and pressing service is available for a fee, and there are self-service laundromats with irons on every single floor that has cabins. Laundry supplies are available in the laundromat or over the Ocean Now app. The Sky Princess is a beautiful ship with beautiful decor, great amenities, great entertainment, and lots of fun all around. Of course, there's lots of options for you to relax at sea as well. The staff and crew are incredible and will be there to make sure that your vacation is a memorable one. We hope you've enjoyed our review of an inside or an interior cabin on the Sky Princess. If you have any suggestions or comments about this video or suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.